Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use AgentX 2.0. In order to do so, here we are at agentx.so. So that's a little bit of a different address, but agentx.so. And once you get here, you should see a screen like this. And what's AgentX all about? Well, you can build multi-agent workforce, make specialized agents, AIA agents that work together. AgentX is the best place to build AI teams, cross-vendor LLM collaboration. And you can click here to get started or to book a demo. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the home page here. And this will give you an idea of what it is that you can expect with Agent X. And we have the basic setup here. You can see it's kind of node based, and we've got seamless AI agent build process, no code needed. Click and select to build your AI agent. Agent X supports most popular LLMs such as OpenAI GPT, Anthropic Claude, Google Gemini, Meta Llama, AWS Bedrock, etc. Build your own ChatGPT with any LLM at your choice. And again, click here to get started. Deploy your AI agents to multiple channels. Agent X provides multiple integrations with third-party software. You can easily integrate your AI agent to your website, Slack, Discord, text message, email, or more. Try it yourself. Click here. It's the AI agent that can generate leads, book appointments, send emails. It supports various actions to its AI agents. It can generate leads formlessly, handles your Calendly appointments, make recommendations, and more. We focus on bringing true human-like experience. Easy to track how your agent performs. Agent X provides insightful statistics for you to track interactions between your agents and users so that you can focus on bringing the best quality service to your customers. So if you're looking for more information on Agent X, go ahead and head over to agentx.so and you can book a demo, or we can sign up for free. Let's go ahead and sign up for free just to show you the process here. And fairly straightforward. We can enter in our name or email address, or we can continue with Google. We need to enter in our age here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So once we've gone through those initial sign up steps, then that's going to bring you into Agent X, and you are going to find this screen here. So we can speak with Rosita, and Rositas can help us with anything. So here we have some questions that we can ask. What is Agent X? Let's go ahead and just put that in there. So Agent X is an AI agent build platform. We empower businesses to build AI agents like playing Lego. Create your own AI agent, power your agent with top-notch models like GPT, Gemini, etc. Publish your agent to any of your website or chat apps and build a team of agents and let them collaborate with each other. Explore more features like MC feed, lead generation, calendar handling, etc. So this could really be helpful if you're in sales, um, if you're selling your services, whatever those might be, then you might want to take a look at Agent X, and you can try it out for free. You can also book a demo. Let's go ahead and click on upgrade. So you can see here we have our annual and our monthly. Let's see here. I guess annual works out to about $36 a month, but you are going to be paying that up front. Monthly, you're looking at $45 for startup. Pro, $199 a month. This is for larger teams. Scale, $699 a month, and enterprise. So if you head here, you can see some of the differences between the different tiers. So we do get 100 free credits with the free version. Startup, you get 2,500. Pro, 15,000. Scale, 60,000. Enterprise, custom, depending on what your needs are. You can see here all of the differences between the subscription tiers. So if you're interested in Agent X, head over to agentx.so. You can try it for free, or you can book a demo. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. you'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open an account. And once you get started, you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.